Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the oxyacids of the nitrogen. That is the part 4. Here is the oxyacids means that any oxides are dissolved in the water molecule or dissolved soluble in water molecule to form of a oxyacids. Here is the any oxides, that is also known as a metals or non-metals combining with the oxygen to form of a oxide, that is also known as any type of oxides or metal oxides or non-metal oxides soluble or dissolved in water molecule to form of a oxyacids. For example, nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen is the non-metal. Phosphorus, nitrogen is the non-metals. So here is the nitrogen combining with the oxygen to form of a nitrogen dioxide. That is the nitrogen oxides. Here is the oxides. Oxides are dissolved in or soluble in water molecule to form of a nitrous acid. That is also formula HNO3. It is also known as a oxyacid. Here is the any type of oxides dissolved or soluble in water molecule to form of a oxyacids. In 50A group elements, nitrogen form with the different type of oxides, that is also known as a nitrogen oxyacids or oxyacids of the nitrogen. In 50A group elements, nitrogen form with the 4 type of oxyacids. Those are, first one is the oxyacids and formula and oxidation states. Here is the nitrogen form of the 4 type of oxyacids. Those are, first one hyponitrous acid. Hyponitrous acid general formula HNO or H2N2O2. It is also known as a hyponitrous acid. In this hyponitrous acid, nitrogen consists the +1 oxidation state. For example, hydrogen oxidation number +1, oxygen oxidation state -2. Oxygen consists the 3 type of oxidation state. For example, common oxides consist the -2 oxidation state. Peroxides existed -1 oxidation state. Superoxides or hyperoxides consist the -of oxidation state. But here is the hydrogen oxidation number +1. Here is the oxygen oxidation state -2. So here is the nitrogen oxidation number +1. For example, H2N2O2 hyponitrous acid formula. Here is the identify the nitrogen oxidation number. So here is the 2 into hydrogen atom, hydrogen oxidation state +1. Here is the indicate the 2x. For example, nitrogen oxidation number. Identify the oxidation number. So here is it is write that 2x remaining 2 into oxygen atom. Oxygen oxidation state -2. Therefore is equal to 0. 2 into +1 2 plus 2x, 2 into -2 -4 is equal to 0. +2 -4 -2. 2x is equal to -2 outside, then here is the term of +2 oxidation state. So here is the x is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So in hyponitrous acid, nitrogen oxidation number +1. Remaining second one, nitrous acid. Nitrous acid formula HNO2. So here is the hydrogen oxidation number +1, 2 into -2, -4. So here is the -4 +1. So here is the -3 outside, then turn to plus state. That is also known as a +3 oxidation state. Third one is the nitric acid. Nitric acid general formula HNO3. So nitrogen oxidation number +5. Here is the +1 -2. 3 into -2 -6 +1. -6 +1 -5. -5 turn to +5 oxidation state. Per nitric acid formula HNO4. In this HNO4, nitrogen existed 2 type of oxide, that is the, for example, peroxides and carbon oxide. Carbon oxide oxidation state -2, peroxide oxidation state -1. So here is the two oxygens bonding with the -1 to -1. Remaining two oxygens carbon oxide -2, -4, -2, -1, -1, -6. Here is the +1. -5, -5 turn to +5 oxidation state in per-nitric acid. That is the nitrogen oxy acids. Nitrogen forming with the 4 type of oxy acids. Those are, first one is the hyponitrous acid, second one is the nitrous acid, third one is the nitric acid, and fourth one is the per-nitric acid. Among those, nitric acid HNO3 is the major important in nitrogen oxy acids. That is the nitrogen oxy acids. Next, nitrogen forming the 4 type of oxy acid. That is the first one is the hyponitrous acid, and the second one is the nitrous acid, third one is the nitric acid, and fourth one is the per-nitric acid. Among those, nitric acid is the major important in nitrogen oxy acid. Next one is the preparation of the nitric acid. Nitric acid general formula HNO3. In this HNO3, that is also known as a nitric acid. Nitric acid is prepared from the two methods. That is also known as a, first one is the laboratory method, and second one is the Ostwald process. First method is the laboratory method. That is also known as a preparation of the nitric acid. That is also called as laboratory method. In laboratory method, nitric acid is prepared. Nitric acid is prepared by the heating of the potassium nitrate or sodium nitrate with the concentration sulfuric acid in a glass retort stand on a small scale. That is also known as a laboratory method. In this laboratory method, small product or small scale of the nitric acid is preparation from the laboratory method. Nitric acid HNO3 is prepared by the heating of the sodium nitrate or potassium nitrate with the concentration sulfuric acid in a glass retort stand on the small scale. Then form of the nitric acid. Sodium nitrate NaNO3 combining with the or heating with the concentration sulfuric acid. Then here is the form of sodium bisulfate and nitric acid. That is the formation of the nitric acid. In this reaction, left side is the reactant and right side is the products. Here is the left side, sodium atom 1 and product la 1 mole. 1 mole atom, 1 mole atom, the equal. Next one, nitrogen atom 1, next one is the nitrogen 1. Remaining hydrogens 2 and 1 plus 1, 2 equal reactant and products. Remaining another one, sulfur 1, sulfur 1. Oxygen 4 plus 3, 7. Here is the 4 plus 3, 7. That is the reactant products, different atoms are equal. That is the preparation of the in laboratory method. In this laboratory method, nitric acid is prepared by the heating of the potassium nitrate or sodium nitrate with the concentration sulfuric acid. Then here is the in the glass retort stand on a small scale. A small product is formed with the laboratory method. That is also known as a preparation of the nitric acid, the first process. And the second one is the Ostwald process. Ostwald process is used for the manufacture of the nitric acid, which is based upon the catalytic oxidation. Catalytic oxidation of the ammonia by the atmospheric oxygen on a large scale. It is also known as a Ostwald process. In this Ostwald process, nitric acid is preparation or prepared from the Ostwald method on the large scale by the catalytic oxidation of the ammonia in the presence of the oxygen. That is also known as a Ostwald process. Ostwald process is used for the manufacture of the nitric acid, which is based upon their catalytic oxidation of ammonia by the atmospheric oxygen, then form of the nitric acid in 3 reactions. Here is the catalytic oxidation. Here is the catalyst is the platinum or ruthenium 500 kelvins and 9 bar pressure. That is also known as a catalytic oxidation of ammonia NH3. Here is the NH3 by the atmospheric oxygen. Then here is the form of nitric acid in 3 reactions. Here is the ammonia oxidizing or combining with the oxygen. Then here is the form of nitric oxide. That is the first reaction. Then here is the form of nitric acid, then combining with the another oxygen atom. Then here is the form of nitrogen dioxide in second reaction. Nitrogen dioxide dissolve or soluble in water molecule. Then here is the form of nitric acid. That is also known as a Ostwald process on a large scale. Next, another one, physicochemical properties of the nitric acid. Nitric acid is a colorless liquid and having a boiling point of 231.4 kelvins and boiling point of 355.6 kelvins. HNO3 is a colorless liquid and having a melting point 231.4 kelvins and boiling point is the 355.6 kelvins. Next property, nitric acid produced from the laboratory consists of 68% of the HNO3 by the mass. Here is the nitric acid is produced from the Ostwald process that having a consist the 68% of by the mass and has a specific gravity of 1.504. Next, another one. A concentration nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. Nitric acid also acts as a strong oxidizing agent. Next, another one. Nitric acid cannot combining or oxidizes with the gold or iron, platinum or inert gases. Remaining all metals are oxidizing with the concentration nitric acid. That is the physicochemical properties of the nitric acid. But here is the nitric acid does not or do not combine or cannot oxidizing with the iron or platinum or inert gases. It combining with the only metals. That is also known as a metal oxides. For example, zinc, next one is the copper, next one is the iodine, carbon dioxide. That is the oxidizes with the iodic acid and carbon dioxide. That is the different oxidizing agent of the physicochemical properties of the nitric acid.